Here is how we can screenshot anything on the Android. So let me talk about it and show you some tips and how it works. If you are new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So usually on the Android phones, the screenshot is performed with pressing the actual physical buttons on the phone. So you have the side button, which is the power button, as well as the volume buttons, right? And usually when you click it at the same time, this is gonna basically capture the screenshot. So this is what you can do in order to capture literally anything. So it doesn't matter which app you happen to be in, you can just perform the gesture of pressing the volume button as well as the side button at the same time, and it's going to capture the screenshot. Right, so that is the first thing that you need to do. However, you can as well manage this inside of the settings, right? So you can see that you can go to the settings and find the advanced section, so advanced features, and in there you can find the screenshots and screen recordings. And when I click on this, I can change some of the settings for it. So for example, I can decide that it's going to be saved in the JPEG or PNG format, or where exactly it's going to be stored, right? So I can choose the location and so on, right? So you can see that there are some settings which you can change for this. Now, it's also important to mention that whenever I capture the screenshot, I can also edit it before I actually save it. For example, if you go to any place where there is a scrollable page, for example, you are reading an article online, or you have a page that you can scroll through, if you capture a screenshot like this, you can see that I can tap on the download arrow like here, so you can see that I can kind of like keep on expanding the screenshot and making it longer and longer, and it's going to actually end up with this very long one, right? Capturing as much information as possible. Or I can also just perform some edits to it, like I can crop it, or even draw on it, whatever. So you can see that there are plenty of ways to enhance this functionality. So if there are some other things which you might have in mind in terms of this, then let me know about it below in the comments. I just want to be as helpful as I can be, so let me know your thoughts and opinions below, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.